Hello students. Now we were doing three questions. So in yesterday's video I told you about the writer and about the summary of the poem. Okay, and today we are going to start our lesson. So let us see what is the story of this lesson. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is Three Questions, written by Tolstoy. Okay, so I am on page number 83. I hope all of you have taken out your textbook and you too go along with me. Okay, when I will read, your finger should also be on the lines. Okay, okay. So the thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. Now, yesterday in summary, I told you this is the story of a king who once got an idea that what if I know certain things, and what were that certain things? That certain things were nothing but the three questions which came in his mind. So once, what happened? The king was sitting in his court, and he was discussing something with his courtiers. While he was discussing these things, all of a sudden one thought came in his mind. Actually, we can say three questions came in his mind, and what he think on that question. So he thought that if he will know, or he will come to know these three things, then he will never be fail in life. He will never fail in life. Not only this king, but nobody will fail in the life. Which are these three things now? So these three things were: what is the right time to begin something? What was the first thing that came in his mind? First thing means, what was the thing out of the three questions? First question, what is the right time to begin something? Now what does it mean? It means that if we know what is the right time to do anything, then what will happen? We will never be fail. We will never fail. I would like to give you example about this. I hope all of you watch cricket matches, and many a time most of the boys and some of the girls also, they play cricket also. Now just imagine, if you have if you came to know in advance that what is the right time to hit the ball, then what will happen? Then on every delivery, or we can say every week delivery, you will hit the shot and you will get 4 runs or 6 runs boundaries you will get, and you will score very good runs, and you will be a most famous cricketer, a successful cricketer, right? Just imagine if Virat Kohli knows in advance that which ball, or what is the right time to hit the ball. Means after every 2 or 3 ball, if he will get a weak delivery, okay, weak ball, then what will happen? And if you know that third ball is going to be weak, then what will happen? On that third ball he will attack on the bowler. Then again he will come to know that next over second ball would be weak, then again he hit and he will get a 6 runs. In that way, what will happen? If he will in advance come to know that what is the right time, he will never be unsuccessful. He will never out, because when he will come to know that the delivery which is coming is hard, then he will not play that. He will play in a defensive way, and he will never be out also, and always he will score runs. So that same question came in the king's mind also, that what if I come to know what is the right time to do anything? This was the first thing. Second, which people should he listen to? The second question that came in his mind was, who are the people who are most important? Now let me explain this also first, therefore going further. Many times what happened, we do not able to decide certain things. We become confused. Just imagine after 10th standard what you have to do. You get confused. Your parents, your teachers sometimes try to guide you. Sometimes your relatives, your elders, your friends also suggest you something, but still you get confused. Now what to do? Shall I go for medical field? Shall I go in the field of law? Shall I go in the field of media? Shall I go in the field of engineering? So we get confused, and we don't understand at that certain point that to whom we should listen. Who is that person who will give me exact what we say exact opinion that will help me to decide my future? If I will get such person, then what will happen? I will never be fail. Whatever I will do, that will be a success. I will be always successful. Getting? So this was the second thing. The king thought, if I come to know that this is the person who can give me a right suggestion, and his suggestion will never fail, then what? I will be a very successful person. So this was the second question. What is the third question? Now what is the most important thing for him to do? What is the most important thing for him to do? What does it mean? That what is the most important occupation, or what is that thing? If he will do that, okay, he will get at most benefit in future. What is the thing? कौन सा काम करना चाहिए हम? Now this is the big question for every one of us, for me also and you also and every one of us, that what is the right thing for me? Throughout the life, many people throughout the life, we don't come to know what is the right thing for us, and we just go on doing the things, and at a certain points we come to know that no, this was not my area. If I would have been in other area, that then I would have been a successful person, right? Means if we come to know that which thing is very important for me, means if I will do this thing, then definitely I will be a successful man. Then what will happen? We will never be unsuccessful. So these were the three questions that came in the mind of a king. The king was very noble, he was very kind. Okay, so he thought, then he was sitting in a court, and he asked his courtiers, see, my dear courtiers, I have three questions in my mind. Can you answer this the questions of this, sorry, answers of these three questions? Then the courtiers also thought about that, but they said, no sir, we don't have any clue. We don't know how it is possible to tell what will be the exact time in future, what will be the exact time on which we will have to do the work. What will be, how it is possible that to decide that this person, whatever he will suggest, that will always be correct? How it is possible that in advance we come to know without doing the work? How it is possible that in advance we will come to know this is the right thing in which I will definitely get success? Because we do the things, and sometimes the thing becomes completed or successful, sometimes it becomes unsuccessful also, and that is why it is not possible. So courtier says, no sir, it is not, means we are not able to think on this. So what the king did then, see, along with that, I told you have to see the lines also. The king therefore sent a messenger throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Now what happened, after doing a lot of what we can say discussions and all that thing, the king come to the conclusion that no, these questions are very difficult, and only wise people can answer these questions. And that is why he decided, he announced, he said, what I go and announce in my kingdom, those people will answer these three questions will get handsome rewards, will get lot of money from me. And the same thing happened, the order was followed, and throughout the kingdom the proclamation was done. The king has three questions, these are the three questions, and those people will give the correct answer of these three questions will get a handsome reward. Then obviously what happened, every people started thinking about the answers of these three questions, and many people started coming to the court, to the king, to give the answers. But what do you think? The answers may be same from all the people for all the questions? No. Every people, because different people think in a different way. Every one of the view of every one of us has different means our views are different. For someone this is important, for other one this is not the same thing is not important. And that is why many people came and they started giving different answers on these three questions. Okay, so let us stop here for today. Tomorrow we will see what answers this the people from the kingdom has given to the king. Okay, thank you very much.